Want to get away from the city? Don't have the money to get away, guys? Want to buy something that's yours? I have a great product for you. It's called the RD loan, Rural Development Loan, or also known as USDA loan, guys. It's basically 100% financing. That means 0% down. And the best part is you can ask the seller to cover your closing fees. With minimal money, you can become a homeowner. I've helped clients in the past buy a home with $1,000, guys. Okay, it's happening. It can happen to you. The key thing for this is the property has to be eligible for the product, and you have to have a credit minimum of 600. Even though I've seen some clients get approved with a 580, but all the stars aligned and everything else worked out. It was fantastic for that family. We're glad to help them, but just want to make sure I fill you in. And for more information on this product or other opportunities, reach out. Love to assist. Have a fantastic day and week.